Class 2 boys are on track now. And this one promising to be very exciting as well. And here we go. Khalil Archibald of Adrenaline in lane 8.
Archibald, one of the superstar sprinters out of Adrenaline.
The 400-meter champion Jason Pitter lines up from lane 7.
He is a superstar. He's 15 years old, turned 16 in April, ran 45.76 for the 400 meters. Can he go and break another Christopher Taylor record in the 200 meters? 20.80 is that record.
John Romilly of San Diego lines up in lane 6.
Superstar sprint out of San Diego, 21.71. His time to get here. He'll be chasing Pitter all the way.
Up in Class 2 now from Class 3 last year where he was a medalist. This is Emil Higgins of KC in lane 5.
At 21.12, he says, wait a minute, I can get a medal in this race. I'm not worried about my teammate Jason Pitter. They are now going to go for their Quinella.
Some may consider this next athlete number 1 so far this season, Maria Ross of Woolmer's Boys. We've seen how well Woolmer's has been doing this afternoon in this half-lap event.
2 years ago, he won this race, won the double here at Champs, came in as the fastest, but 2 people have now passed him in time.
From out west, Tierney Barrett of Racees.
Barrett representing well for the West. His time was 21.97, but he's in that tight lane 3.
Tyler Morgan of JC lines up in lane 2.
He knows that Casey is going to score heavily here. He needs to get JC some points to keep that margin.
And Yehuda Little of Woolmer's Boys runs from lane 1.
His father, Gregory Little, won gold here at Champs in the hurdles. He is now in lane 1, making 2 from Woolmer's, 2 from Kingston College. And this is going to be a real focus on the record. The wind still negative. The last race was negative 1.2, Coach Wilson. But Jason Pitter is so good. Could he break second Chris Taylor record here at Champs? 20.80 is that time into a negative wind.
So they're sent to their blocks. Little in 1, Morgan 2, Barrett 3, Ross 4, Higgins 5, Romilly 6, Pitter 7, Archibald in lane 8. Pitter, the 400-meter champion, record time. Looking for a double gold here. He runs from lane 7.
Set.
In the set position. Bang! Sent off. Class 2 boys. 200-meter final. Pitter gets out well. So too does Romilly. They swing off the turn. It is Pitter who leads them. Coming inside the straightaway. Higgins also going to work. Here comes Mario Ross as well. But stepping away from this field, it is Jason Pitter. He strikes gold and takes a double gold. Takes the 200 meters to go along with the 400 meters. Points to the KC Faithfuls. Does Jason Pitter. 21.03 for Pitter this afternoon. It was close going for second.
Coach Wilson.
Ross also gets there as well. And Higgins, his teammate.
Great run by Pitter. The speed endurance is second to none. Having run 45 in the 400 meters, running out of lane 7, nobody to touch him. He was all alone, under no pressure, even though his teammate Higgins.
Yeah, we'll take a quick look back at
the gun. He's out almost on top of lane 8. The young man from Adrenaline, Archibald, he takes the turn, nice and tight. Technique very good. Leaning just slightly into the turn, knees forward, good arm action, all the way to the line. That 45-71 strength is there combined with speed.
And that what we saw here, viewers, he went for the record. Negative 1.8 is really tough wind to run into. And here is a shot of Higgins. Higgins knew that he had a role to play here. This is Casey's best shot so far. A Quinella, I said it before the race, Coach. They got the Quinella. Mara Ross, the 2-year-ago Class 3 champion, got up there for third for Woolmer's. Here are the times.
So Pitt at 21.03, Higgins at 21.52 for the silver, and Ross getting the bronze at 21.56. Romilly, Archibald, Barrett,